Mastering Warrior II Pose, a journey of strength and mindfulness. Welcome to a deeper dive into one of yoga's most empowering postures, Virabhadrasana II or Warrior II Pose. This foundational asana is not merely about physical alignment. It is an opportunity to tap into your inner resilience, focus, and strength. At Yoga Studio Name, we invite you to embody the energy of a warrior on your mat and in your daily life. Let's explore the beauty and transformative power of Warrior II, a pose that can inspire your yoga journey and nurture your physical and mental well-being. Virabhadrasana II, commonly known as Warrior II, is more than just a standing pose. Named after the mythical warrior Virabhadra, this pose symbolizes courage, focus, and unwavering strength. As you step into Warrior II, you are challenged to ground yourself firmly through the legs, open your heart, and align your focus with purpose. This expansive posture promotes strength, stability, and flexibility. When practiced with mindful intention, Warrior II becomes a metaphor for life. It teaches us to remain strong amidst challenges and to embrace openness in both body and mind. Whether you're new to yoga or refining your practice, Warrior II is a posture that redefines the way you connect with your inner power. Key benefits of Warrior II: strengthens the legs and core, activate your thighs, glutes, and abdominals for stability and strength. Increases hip and shoulder flexibility, feel an expansive openness as you stretch these major joint areas. Enhances focus and stamina. Warrior II is a test of holding strength while focusing forward, building mental resilience. Alignment is key to unlocking the energy and benefits of Warrior II. Let's break down the pose from the ground up for a balanced and supportive foundation. Feet and legs. Grounding starts in the feet. Place the front foot forward, with your back foot angled slightly inward, about 90 degrees. Align the front heel with the back heel or slightly wider. Keep the front knee stacked directly over the ankle to protect the joint while distributing weight evenly. Hips and pelvis. Feel the spaciousness as the pelvis faces the side of the mat. Keep the hips level and actively open to promote grounding. Torso and core. Engage your core to lift the spine while ensuring the torso remains centered over the hips. A strong core supports balance and stability. Arms and shoulders. Extend your arms actively in opposite directions, palms facing down. Let your shoulders relax, which opens the chest for deeper breaths. Gaze, drishti, softly focus over the front hand. Your drishti represents forward intention and clarity, essential qualities for the warrior spirit. With these steps, you can align your body and mind in Warrior II to experience its full benefits. Start in Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand tall at the front of your mat, reconnecting with your breath and intention. Step back and find your stance with control. Step 1, foot back into a wide-legged position, angling the back foot at 90 degrees. Feel the weight evenly distributed across your feet. Bend the front knee. Ensure your front knee lines up directly over your ankle to create a stable foundation. Feel rooted and steady as your back leg remains straight. Align hips and pelvis. Keep your pelvis level, facing the side of the mat, while engaging your core. Extend and energize. Raise your arms shoulder height in opposite directions, palms down, reaching actively through your fingertips. Find your focus. Set your gaze steadily over the front fingers. Let this focus anchor your awareness as you breathe deeply. Hold the posture for 3 to 5 breaths or longer, building endurance and connecting with your warrior energy. Physically, Warrior II strengthens and stretches key muscle groups, from the legs to the shoulders. Mentally, it cultivates focus, resilience, and presence. Here are some specific benefits. Build lower body strength. Warrior II engages your thighs, glutes, and core, building endurance. Expand flexibility. The pose opens hips and shoulders, encouraging space and mobility. Enhance mind-body awareness. Focusing on alignment and breath fosters mindfulness, connecting movement to intention. At Hitamu Academy, we encourage incorporating Warrior II into your practice for its versatility. Use it as a foundation for flow sequences or a powerful warm-up posture. Transition seamlessly from poses like Warrior I or Downward Dog for a balanced, dynamic practice. To deepen your experience, consider holding Warrior II for longer durations. This tests stamina and cultivates focus, which translates into inner strength both on and off the mat. Warrior II is for every level of yogi. Modify or amplify the posture based on your personal needs. Beginner. Shorten your stance until it feels comfortable, focusing on alignment. Deeper challenge. Stay in the pose longer, or gently lift the chest into a slight back bend. Props. Use the wall behind you for additional support, or to refine your alignment. As you practice Warrior II, ask yourself these reflective questions. How does this pose challenge you mentally and physically? Are you grounding yourself into the present moment, both on the mat and in life? In what ways can embodying the strength of Warrior II inspire you to face life's challenges? At Hitamu Academy, we believe every pose is an invitation to grow, not just in flexibility, but in strength, awareness, and resilience. Step onto your mat today and channel the inner warrior waiting within you. Warrior II is your call to stand tall, breathe deeply, and embrace life with courage and grace. Namaste.